This model kit review is of the Ford Trimotor, and this is a very odd scale, 1/77th scale by Revell. It's just kind of really bizarre. It's kind of like HO scale. I wish they actually would make more HO scale. It's really close to HO scale, which I think is 1/86th, but 77 is very bizarre. Here are the colors needed there, some pictures of the finished model there. Another picture of the finished model, and there are the dimensions and some details here about this model, and details about the plane. So let's have a look inside and see what we've got. So here's our glass. We've got some side windows there, as well as our windshield. Not very clear. Now let's have a look here. These are all the long pieces. And we've got our wings and fuselage here. This is obviously a very old model kit. But the ribbing here is really great. So, very odd plastic. Doesn't feel like the usual plastic that they make it out of. And here are the undersides of the wings. Yeah, very strange plastic. Okay, this looks like this must be the underside of the fuselage. All of this was made out of sort of corrugated metal, so that's why you got that ribbing to add strength to it, but definitely slowed things down. Here's the side of the fuselage, and here's the other side. This, as you can see here, is from, looks like 1956? Looks like 1956 is when this mold was made. It'll go together like that. And the last sprue here. Here we've got two pilots, looks like. And they're dressed for Arctic weather, I guess, if you want to do the ski version. We've got some dogs here, and they are solid, don't need to put those together. We've got some engine parts here, the engine cowls, there's the actual engines. We've got some wheels, we've got some skis, you can do either version. There's our tail, the rudder and elevator, molded as one piece. Some propellers, our landing gear there, and maybe that's cargo, if I look to see what that is. Okay, and here we've got some decals. Those are very nice decals. Obviously these are recently printed. 2005 is when they were upgraded, but this is recently printed. And some details here again. And the colors needed there. So we're going to put together the fuselage, and then the wings, and then putting the wings on a fuselage, adding the windshield, adding the exhausts, and then the engine cowls over there with struts to support them, and then putting the engines together with the propellers, and then starting on the landing gear. Here are the different options to put the decals on there, and yeah, that's a very simple model kit. Should be easy to build, and the decals are going to be a challenge, making sure you get them into the little ridges there.